How to restrict WordPress roles from Visit Profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to restrict WordPress roles from Visit BuddyPress profile page. For example, if you select subscribers role and make it only can visit other members' profiles once per hour if they try to visit 2 times, they will be restricted and redirected automatically to another page. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Who Viewed My Profile. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extensions Settings, and Who Viewed My Profile settings. Add restriction redirect URL as you want. Scroll down to Visits restriction by roles and set it up. In this video, I will set subscribers only can visit their profile only once per hour. Please note, you need to select roles and add numbers to the restrictions fields first to make you able to add restrictions. Let's see the result. I am logging in with a subscriber account and trying to visit other members' profiles 2 times. And you can see the system redirect me automatically to another page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.